Here we have some leather that's been sitting outside for about 2 years, exposed to the sun, rain, snow, and as you can see, they're in rough shape. So we're going to show you an easy way how to get them looking like new again. As you can tell, a lot of parts of the leather are really dry and weathered. So we begin with a simple power wash. Give it a good clean, make sure you get every spot inside and out until you're satisfied with the results. When you're done, what you want to do is stuff the saddlebags with either some bubble wrap or anything that will fill up the entire area. That will help maintain its shape as the leather dries. We let our leather dry for a week at room temperature. This is the leather conditioner that we are going to be applying. There is also a waterproofing wax for leather that you may choose to apply later on for extra protection. That's optional. So just like any other type of wax treatment, with a clean rag, just start applying to all parts of the leather. For our first coat, we are applying a little bit extra wax since the leather is really dry, and you want the wax to be absorbed by the leather as much as possible. As we go along, you can see the results of the wax already. Just keep working away at it. After you apply your first coat of wax, set everything aside and let it soak for a week. The following week we reapplied a second coat of wax, just like we did the first time. Then we let that sit for a week and finally gave it a wipe with a dry clean rag to remove any spots that had excess wax. As you can see here in the before and afters, they make a huge difference. At this point, we didn't apply the waterproofing wax treatment. We're just letting the leather sit naturally. So prior to the bike being on the road, we can then choose to apply the water protection. Hope this video was helpful. See you next time.